All right, day 6, first part A, video. This is the introduction. So today is just working with weights a little and then with rocks, okay? I wrote this in 2 of the papers, for your first 3 papers, by the way, which were pretty good, thank you very much. So, there was a famous Russian sprinter, Valery Borzov, ran a 10-second 100 meter. Now it's fast, whether it's 1972 or whether it's 2020, especially considering the clothes and the track they're running on. The guy squatted 700 pounds to the ground. Pretty impressive, pretty strong. Weights were only 7% of his training. 7% of his training for a gold medalist in the Olympics. Right? So what does that say for children that we coach, or people that we're starting to try to get into shape, doing the conditioning before the training? That means that percentage of the weight should be quite low. Now, if you're a personal trainer, a lot of people want to do the weights, so you have to slide them in there. I think that's where kettlebells come in. Kettlebells are excellent, we won't even say supplement, let's say replacement for the weights. But nonetheless, when you get into certain sports where we know that after they have the conditioning and they get into training, that maybe the #1 quality is strength. Therefore, you have a higher percentage. But for majority, especially the children, the people we bring up, no, it should be a very small percentage. Hopefully you saw in the when we did the strength body weight class how much strength you can get just doing the push-ups, the squats, chin-ups, that type of thing. Okay, so important points of the day. You only have 2 of them. All right, you're going to see today weights with other movements. So you eliminate isolation and you can incorporate more qualities. So you're going to see that almost every move today that we're going to do, it is a strength move for sure with a weight, but you'll have a secondary movement with it. It'll really help with coordination, major, but it could be a lot of the other qualities too. And the second one is when you get to the rocks, you're going to see that rocks is nature strength. The rocks, you're going to have rocks different sizes, different weights. It's good for grip. But it's right out of nature, so it's nature strength, and again, you can incorporate freedom of movement so you can hit all the qualities you want. So, #1, weights with other movements, so no isolation, more qualities, rocks, nature strength, you hit all the qualities that you wish to hit. Okay? Thank you.